Hello everyone, Pat Lentz here again, your Central Iowa land specialist with High Point Land Company. I hope you're all staying dry and keeping cool out there. We've been lucky to see some timely rains here in Iowa, and the crops are definitely showing it. Things are shaping up for what could be a record harvest according to some analysts. Today I want to take a few minutes to talk about Grundy County farmland and why this market continues to stand out as one of the strongest in the state. Grundy County has been a powerhouse when it comes to crop production historically. From corn and soybean production to the large footprint of seed corn acres, the yields here are consistently impressive. That success starts with the land itself. Grundy County boasts an average CSR2 of 88, which is very high, ranking it among the top counties in the state of Iowa. And with high quality land comes strong land values. In 2024, the county saw an average sales price of $13,793 per acre, which breaks down to around $157 per point. Now as we head deeper into 2025, sales in Grundy County have been few and far between. But when land does hit the market, it's commanding a premium. In fact, we've already seen a few sales over the $18,000 an acre mark this year. So what's driving this continued strength and values? It really comes down to one thing: tight supply and high demand. Grundy County farmland rarely changes hands, and when it does, there's a strong pool of local buyers ready to move quickly and decisively. That competition, along with the long-term appreciation we've consistently seen, continues to support today's high values. If you've been thinking about selling, or if you're just simply curious about what your land might be worth in today's market, I'd love to have a confidential conversation with you. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Talk soon.